Have you ever recorded a voiceover or used an AI voice tool and ended up with noisy, distorted, or robotic sounding audio? What if I told you there is a completely free way to clean any audio file with no time limits, no subscriptions, and no software to install? Today I am going to show you exactly how to do that step by step right from your browser. Welcome back to 12.5 Tech. I am so glad you are here. Today we are talking about a powerful free AI audio cleaning tool that works for YouTube creators, podcasters, and anyone who uses AI-generated voices. Whether your audio has background noise, mic hiss, or that robotic AI artifact sound, this tool will fix it automatically in just a few clicks. Before we jump in, I want to show you where to find this tool. Open your browser and search for Custom UDP. Go to the website and look at the menu at the top of the page. From the menu, click on AI Tools. Once you are on the AI Tools page, scroll through the available tools until you see the Audio Cleaner tool. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open the link to a Google Colab notebook, which is where everything happens. Now, when the Colab notebook opens, the first thing you want to do before running anything is set up your GPU. Go to the top menu bar, click on Runtime, then click Change Runtime Type. In the pop-up that appears, select T4 GPU from the Hardware Accelerator dropdown, then hit Save. This is very important because without the GPU, processing will be extremely slow. Now we are ready to run the notebook. You will see the notebook is organized into 3 steps. Start with step 1, which installs all the required tools. Click the Run button on that cell and just wait. You will know it is done when you see a green check mark and the message that says installation was successful. Do not restart your session at this point, just move on. Next, run step 2, which loads all the imports. Again, just click the Run button and wait for the check mark. You should also see a message confirming that your GPU is active. If it says CPU instead of GPU, go back and double-check your runtime settings. Now run step 3, and this is the exciting part. This cell launches the Gradio app interface. After a few seconds, you will see a public URL link appear in the output. Click that link, and it will open the Audio Cleaner tool in a new browser tab. Inside the app, you will see a clean and simple interface. On the left side, you will find the upload area. Go ahead and upload your audio file. The tool supports WAV, MP3, FLAC, OGG, and M4A formats. Once your file is uploaded, make sure the mode is set to denoise plus enhance, which gives the best quality result. Then just hit the big button that says Clean My Audio. The first time you run it, the tool will take about 1 minute to download the AI model in the background. You will see a progress bar in the Colab output. After that first download, it becomes much faster for all following files. Once processing is complete, the cleaned audio will appear on the right side of the screen. You can play it back directly in the browser and compare it to the original. Now let me show you the before and after. Here is a sample recording with obvious background noise and some AI voice artifacts. Listen carefully. Now here is the same audio after being processed by the tool. The difference is clear. The noise is gone, the voice is cleaner, and it sounds much more professional. If your audio has really heavy noise, go into the advanced settings accordion and increase the lambda slider to around 0.8 or 0.9. That controls the strength of the denoising. You can also increase the NFE steps for even better quality, though it will take a little longer to process. For most use cases, the default settings work great. One of the best things about this method is that there are no limits. Google Colab gives you around 12 hours of free GPU usage per session. If your session expires, just open the notebook again, run the 3 steps again, and you are back up and running. There is no cap on file size from the tool itself, so you can process long podcast episodes or full YouTube voiceovers with no problem. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like because it really helps the channel grow. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Drop a comment below and tell me what kind of audio you are going to clean with this. I will see you in the next one.